Charlie. Looking sharp.
Thank you, sir. Steph, I want you to meet Jenny's dad, Dr. Reddick.
Hey.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
You too. We just adore Charlie. And I understand he's quite the lifesaver.
Oh, yeah, you heard about that. He, brought me back from the dead.
Yeah.
What?
Well, technically you weren't dead.
What?
But, I mean, if you were unconscious and Charlie got you breathing again, then your heart didn't stop. But regardless, way to go, Charlie.
So she wasn't dead?
Exactly.
She was lucky Charlie was there.
Yep. Everything happens for a reason.
Sweetie, you look like $1,000,000.
Steph.
Oh my God, that was close.
You okay?
Yeah.
You know you make me wanna kick my heels up and throw my hands up and